Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. This is our first class after your PT2 exam. I hope you have done your exam very well. You have learnt also. And today we will start question answers of the rhyme Puppy and I. In the previous class, we have done the book exercise of this rhyme. And I think we have not done these question answers. So today we will do these question answers of the rhyme. Have you remember the story? This is Puppy and I. To a boy a man met and he said, "Let's come to me." Then he met two rabbits. Then he met a puppy and he will go with the puppy because he wants to roll and play with the puppy. So we have done this exercise. Yes. Question number 1 is, where was the man going and why? First of all, I will not send you any kind of pic. You will write these question answers by watching these videos only. Okay? So don't call me that send me the pics. First is, where was the man going and why? Answer is, the man was going down to the village to get bread. Now see carefully. Everything is clear. By watching video, you will write the answers. You will write first of all poem Puppy and I. Then you will write question answers. Then you will write question number 1. Where was the man going and why? Then you will write answer. The man was going down to the village to get bread. Then you will leave one line also after the sorry first question answer. Then you will write the second question. Where were the rabbits going and why? Rabbits कहाँ पे जा रहे थे? Answer is, the rabbits were going down to the village to get some oats. जो rabbits हैं वो village में जा रहे थे थोड़ी सी oats लेने के लिए. Question number 3 is, where was the puppy going and why? Answer is, the puppy was going up in the hills. बाकी सब तो डाउन जा रहे थे ना विलेज में. पपी जा रहा था अप हिल्स में, ऊपर जा रहा था वो पहाड़ों में. टू रोल एंड प्ले मतलब मस्ती करने के लिए और खेलने के लिए. सो यू विल लीव वन लाइन ऑल्सो हियर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हु डिड द चाइल्ड गो विद एंड वाई? जो चाइल्ड है वो किसके साथ गया और क्यों? द चाइल्ड वेंट विद द पपी बिकॉज ही ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू रोल एंड प्ले विद पपी. जो चाइल्ड है वो खुद पपी जैसा है ना, उसको खुद को पपी जैसी हरकतें पसंद है, इसलिए वो किसके साथ गया? पपी के साथ. क्यों? बिकॉज ही ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू रोल एंड प्ले. उसको भी रोल और प्ले करना था पपी के साथ. दैट्स वाई ही वेंट विद पपी. I will revise once again the question answers and then you will write and you will learn also. Okay. The man was going down to the village to get bread. The rabbits were going down to the village to get some oats. The puppy was going up in the hills to roll and play. The child went with the puppy because he also want to roll and play with the puppy. So these are the question answers. You will write these question answers without asking me for the pic. Just watch the video carefully and then you will write the question answers of the rhyme. And after the written work you have complete, then you will learn also. After some time we will open the school as we got the permission from the government. Till that time you all have completed your written part, whether it is your English book, your English notebook, your good grammar book work, applications, your essays, everything should be completed, so that when you come to the school, no pending work is there, because then we will check your notebooks and we will revise the work only. Okay, so ask your friend to give you the pending work, check your work, take the help of your parents, and take help of your friends also. Complete your work properly, learn them as we are in the house, and when we come meet in the school, then we will start our revision work. So these are your question answers. Write them and learn them properly. In the meantime, we will revise our book exercise also. Find from the poem words that rhyme with day, may, set, bread, coats, oats, walking, talking. These are the rhyming words. Last letter should be, last pronunciation should be same. Then rewrite these sentences correctly. You'll come with us. So what we will do? We will write a apostrophe mark here. Will you come with us? Will you come with us? So W will be capital, and at the last we will put here question mark. Then won't you come with us? So W will be capital, and where we will put that apostrophe mark? Here. Won't you come with us? Then question mark, because these are the questions. And collect the pictures of some dog and paste them here with the name of their breed. I think boys love this activity very much. So paste the pics of the dogs and write their breed name, as we have seen here also. Take help from here. Okay.